So this is where I keep my chainsaw tools, my gasoline, and my oil. But the problem with this is that the chainsaw leaks. You can see here the oil has soaked into the wood, comes down here. That's where I keep my extra chainsaw blades. And you can see the glaze on there. How can we fix this? With a little Bevis technology. So a friend of mine gave me these WeatherTech floor liners. Very nice. So the first thing I did was I made a couple of cuts here and here on the sides, ran it up the wall, put me a couple of panhead screws into the shelf, and presto. Let me get my chainsaw up here and check it out. Got my chainsaw tools, got my chainsaw oil, got my chainsaw, got my gasoline. Everything's protected by the WeatherTech floor liner. No more drippage.